Those two dogs again. Brownie and Blackie. Yeah, baby. I'm coming. God. Look who's here. Where's there? Mama dog near the car. Okay, I'm ready to go to 13. Still haven't heard from them. Daddy will be leaving at 9. 7:10 now. 4.5 hours. The same bus that we took December to KL. The same bus. Same bus company. Julia didn't get back to me last night. Anyway, let's go and get it done and over with. I hope she finds, the set of keys that I gave her. I gave her the original. I changed the padlock. That's the only key I have. I don't even have a key for the wooden door. And when it gets very windy, the door blows open. I can't lock it. She can't find the keys. That's not my problem. Okay. Let me see you later, baby. You sleep. Love you. I'll talk to you later. Puma. Hey, a little tail.